so thrilled to be here today with Vasu and Jacques from the Oracle team. Why don't we start off with a quick introduction, if you could share with the group a little bit about yourself, Vasu.
Sure, Karen. So my name is Vasu Murthy, so I do product management for Oracle BI.
Fabulous.
I'm also with the Oracle BI product management team. I'm responsible for some of the mobile stuff as well as some of the DV desktop product
fabulous.
management. Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
All right, let's start off a little bit with Kscope. And so we've been here since Sunday. I think y'all had a Sunday symposium. Can you share a little bit about what you all presented, shared, stuff like that?
Sure. So Sunday Symposium was a great opportunity, for us from Oracle to really talk about what we're doing, what we already did last year, what we're doing next year.
Okay.
Kind of gives you a preview, and we actually had stuff that we presented that we have not presented before this year. So it's a great preview into what's cooking, right? And so we have products in data visualization.
Okay.
We had stuff that is in advanced analytics, big data, and mobile that Jacques showed lots of live demos. So we had a lot of attendance there.
Okay.
Impressed to see a room full of people at 8:30 on Sunday morning.
Yeah, it was really good. We got to show not only some of the products that we've been talking about for some time and got to show them in their near final form, but we got to show for the first time, some new projects that we're working on in the labs that are hopefully going to ship really, really soon. So we got to get the first public reaction, and that was cool. Yeah, I think
Awesome.
so. I think so.
I
But
think so.
people are pretty polite here overall, so hopefully they didn't throw anything.
Oh,
so it was good.
Okay. So you've got me a little bit excited. If I were to ask you to narrow things down and ask you what is the one big thing that is really big in BI right now?
So the one big thing is getting analytics to everybody.
Okay.
And Jacques is the best guy to explain what that means.
Yeah, when you think about historically, BI was, it started with IT, and then some poor schlep was anointed the duties of creating some analytics that they then, at the end of the quarter, sort of pushed down to people, to the minions in the workforce. And, when you think of how the world works today, and the changes with mobile, for example, people, they don't go fetch information. Information comes to them. That's a complete transformation from the past where you had to go, to a portal to get some information. Now you just open Flipboard and the news that matters to you, shows up on your phone or on your tablet or even your desktop. And so, we've been looking at that on the BI team and seeing how can we get inspired by companies, like Twitter, like Facebook, like Flipboard, and change the way information is delivered. And so I'm really stoked about some of the new products because they really implement some of those successful communication sort of paradigms, and we're pushing information to the users, and we're trying to understand when the analytic is relevant, who it's relevant to, and where it's relevant. So really good stuff.
And to add to that, so cloud is one thing they've been big on. So anyone can now go to cloud.oracle.com and get a trial of our data visualization cloud service. But even if you don't want to do that, you can download our desktop tool. So we have the whole Oracle BI is a downloadable that you can install on a laptop and work completely offline and analyze your files. So if there's one thing I would urge that's new, and I would urge people to take a look at, so Oracle BI is not just IT installed or some big thing anymore. You can actually download on a laptop and start using it right away.
That's right.
Could I even do that?
Absolutely.
Absolutely, you can.
That's right.
Fabulous.
In fact, you should try that.
Okay, excellent. I love it. Okay, last question for y'all. So it's Monday right now. Conference goes until Wednesday. In case folks get a chance to take a look at us between now and Wednesday, anything that you want to make sure they check out?
So there's a great hands-on lab Tuesday.
Okay.
And on Wednesday, we have a whole series of sessions. So some on S-Base, some on Oracle BI, and mobile. Jacques, I think you'll be doing a session with Matt Millela.
That's right. Our head of development for mobile will be presenting one of the new products that has never been shown. So that will be showing up, I think, at 11:30 on Wednesday.
On Wednesday. Yeah. So lots to come down.
That's right. Great.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for taking the time to meet with us today and for taking the time today, and enjoy the rest of your conference.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.